8:39, guys. So we'll start off with the rep stars. So there's 24. So the top 8 teams will get 2, and the other teams will get 1. We got an 8, that's 7. So Cowboys, Dragons, Knights, Tigers, Broncos, Raiders, Rabbits and Roosters will all get 2. And I've put them in all in number, and starting with Cowboys, we'll go in that order, guys. Alright. Head array. We got an 8 again. So head array will go to Panthers. Header B, we've got a 10. So that will go to the Raiders. And the case card, so Broncos, Sharks, Eagles, Cowboys, Eels and Roosters. So that one's off to the Knights. It's 8:43. Thanks guys. We'll see you all soon.